Hello everybody, hello everybody. Are we going to get this to go over? There it is. Hello everybody. Well, just another day in paradise. That's all I got to say. Oh my goodness. Today's already been a beautiful, beautiful day. It's gorgeous here in the upstate. I've already had 2 major meetings today. It's already late in the day to post this, but this is the first chance I've gotten. As soon as I showed up here at the office, people are waiting for me. But that's okay. We're here until 6. Friday we are closed. This is the first. That'd be the Friday of Lyceum, so that'd be May 3rd, I believe. May 3rd. We're closed. But that's in the email you should have gotten already, and it's on the Facebook and on the Instagram and on the all the other fun places we go. But anyway, it's a great day. It's another day in paradise. Having a great time. Saying hi to all the Rawls family as they walk in. Hi, Sammy boy. So you need to get your butts in here, your backs in here today before 6. We'll see you next week if we don't see you today. And if you're not in the area and you don't have a chiropractor, my goodness, why haven't you let me know? We'll find somebody for you, somebody who's good. If you're in the area and you don't have a chiropractor, you need to get your spine in here. Watch many of the videos why. Subluxation's a life stealer, an expression stealer, and that's just horrible. Don't have to worry about all the other stuff. Just vertebral subluxation in and of itself is just horrible. So don't need to deal with that anymore. Anyway, I will post from Lyceum. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Have a great one. Take care. See you soon. Bye.